Good morning. My name is Nadir Habib. In the last video, we asked about the product blog post on the WordPress site. So I make now product blog post automation. So you can see that in here you just that's your API sections, and if your WordPress site, and here you the your product update and product created. We just product created perfume Lauren best reference. We just need product image upload and just publish 3 minutes. Your product blog post is created. Just wait 2 to 3 minutes. You can see that your product blog post is created when you product update your any product created, and the automatically your product blog post is created in just 2 3 minutes. You can see that your product blog post is here. You just need to upload any product in the WooCommerce site. That is your production URL of the WordPress. For first of all, you need a credential setup of the WooCommerce, and here you are the consumer key and your consumer secret and your WordPress URL. That is your WordPress URL, and here you go you setting of the WooCommerce setting and the advanced feature. In the advanced feature of the REST API, and here you create your secret key in read and write and the dummy, and here your copy consumer key and consumer secret you just paste here, and your production URL and include during the queries, and the setup your name and your credential is set up. Is the event of your product created, you see that, and the your WordPress webhook URL is the production URL, must be production URL, and here you go to webhook URLs, and here you create your webhooks. You just need product created of your webhooks and the active always and the dummy. Any name you can enter in here. You just need a delivery of the production URL. Always be not be tested, and always the production URL. If the secret key is always your secret consumer, we said that here your same always remains in your consumer secret and paste in here, and rest of your and say webhook. Your webhook is completed created. I already set up, so that now I cannot set up. That is already I set up my credentials. You can see that. So your the trigger of trigger of product created is created in the WooCommerce tool. In here your prompt of message of the content, and here the prompt message of the I use the Gemini 2.5 Flash. Use the text of the product blog post. That is the title of your product blog post, and here the your product post is created. You see that there is your title, and there have the content, and there have the same the title, but the slug of the your URL basis, and the status is your publish, and that is your image URL. Your image URL of the you can see that is your screen URL of your product post image. You see that in the you just drop in here, and your the base 64 URL is created, and the base 64 URL is created, and the convert into the binary file, and the binary file and the resize of the 500 to 500 bit automatically for the your WordPress blog post on the featured image. And here you upload your image on the WordPress of media. You can see that here in that section you just upload the image in your media. You see that your that image is your 500 width by 500. That image is resize of your according to your size in here. You just upload the image in your media, upload in your media, and the next node is that your image is created. Your digital WP post is your same 548. Your that is post ID is your WordPress blog post ID 548 your post ID, and the featured image ID is the your featured image ID is the your upload image ID. Input in here and the execute step and your blog post is created. So in the next video we make another automation workflow. For just wait on my next tutorial.